back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather.
And this is day 8 of opening the Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar. We're really excited to see what day 8 brings. So without further ado, we will go ahead and get into this. But before we do, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video anytime we upload. So here we go.
And just to recap, so far we've got a Gringotts Bank wooden ornament. We've got Harry Potter socks. We've got gloves with the Hogwarts crest on them. We've got a Hufflepuff cup pin. We've got glow-in-the-dark Harry Potter stickers. We've got a Sirius black bookmark. And it's what kind of a bookmark?
Lenticular.
Lenticular bookmark. And we also got a little Harry Potter themed little
Microfiber
cloth. That's why she's here. I can't remember the names.
Okay, so we will go ahead and see what is in day 8. Oh, day 8's not in here. Did you take it out?
No. Did you take it out?
No. Did it fall out? Where'd it go?
Did you steal it? Really?
Oh my
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, did you steal that from us?
Not cool.
Come on now. You're just trying to be like a delivery owl, aren't you? Is that it? Are you wanting to start carrying packages, huh?
We're gonna have to start letting him carry the mail for us.
I mean, maybe we should.
Maybe.
That is the best way to deliver packages and mail in the Wizarding
That
World.
is true.
We may have to do that.
Oh.
Well, thank you for keeping it safe for us.
This is day 8. And we'll see what we've got. You're a good little owl. What is this?
Oh, is it
Oh, it's a
maybe
little patch.
Oh, cool.
Oh, nice. It's
You can put on like a shirt or a jacket.
yeah.
That's
Or
so
a purse.
cool.
I think I've seen people do that before. They'll have like a denim purse.
Oh,
they
that
put
would be a
on.
cool idea.
I've never tried it myself, but it looks pretty cool.
Oh, that would be cool. Maybe we could put it on a bag.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice, isn't it?
That is so cool. And it's the Hogwarts crest?
See, it says Hogwarts.
That is so cool.
It's got the school motto as well.
Never tickle a sleeping dragon.
Well, this is really cute. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you tomorrow when we unbox the next day. I can't believe how fast this is going. It seems.
I know.
It seems to be going pretty quickly.
Day 8 already.
I know. Well, thank you so much, and we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye.